Apple just launched the thinnest iPhone ever, and it is shaking up the entire lineup, from a sleek iPhone Air to pro cameras that will blow your mind. Here is every feature, every model, and which one is right for you. Let's dive in, but first, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. At Apple's event, we got 4 models: iPhone 17, the new iPhone 17 Air, and the Pro and Pro Max. This year is not about radical change. It's about polishing what worked in the iPhone 16 series: thinner frames, faster chips, and cameras tuned for better low light and video. Let's start with the base iPhone 17. It now gets the 6.3-inch 120Hz Pro Motion display. No more 60Hz holdback. Scrolling finally feels as smooth as it did on the Pro models last year. Under the hood is the A19 chip, 20 to 30% faster than last gen. Realistically, that means apps open a bit snappier and games hit higher frame rates, but you won't feel a night and day difference. If you're coming from a 16, the camera setup gives you a 48-megapixel main and a 12-megapixel 2x telephoto. That 2x is great for portraits or a quick shot from the stands, though it's nowhere near the reach of the Pro's telephoto zoom. The 18-megapixel selfie cam is crisp, great for FaceTime and socials. Battery charges to 50% in about 20 minutes with fast charging. Handy for commuters or travelers. Starting at $799, it feels like the most approachable iPhone yet, especially if you've been waiting to upgrade from a 14 or earlier. Next, the brand new iPhone 17 Air. This is Apple's thinnest iPhone ever, just 5.6 millimeters. It feels impossibly light thanks to the titanium frame and ceramic shield version too. It's a design lover's dream, almost like holding a concept phone. The 6.5-inch display gives you a bit more screen than the base model, and it's running on the A19 Pro chip with a beefier 5-core GPU. That means smoother gameplay and faster AI processing in iOS 26's new Apple Intelligence features. Wi-Fi 7 support future-proofs your connectivity, a nice touch, but with thinness comes trade-offs. Battery life is good, but not Pro Max good. And at $999, you're paying for design over raw endurance. Still, if minimalism and portability are your top priorities, the Air is arguably the most elegant iPhone Apple's ever made. For creators and power users, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max remain the flagships. Both pack the A19 Pro chip and that new 5-core GPU. But the star is the camera system. 48-megapixel sensors across the board, main, ultra-wide, and telephoto. You get 4 times optical zoom on the Pro and 8 times on the Max. That's a serious jump, letting you capture concerts, sports, or wildlife with real optical clarity. They also shoot 120 frames per second in ProRes RAW. Niche, yes, but a big deal for filmmakers and content creators. So, which one should you buy? For most people, the regular iPhone 17 is the best value. It's smooth, fast, and finally has ProMotion. The Air is for design-first buyers, people who want a thin, lightweight phone and are willing to trade a bit of battery for style. The Pro and Pro Max are for power users. If you edit video on the go, care about optical zoom, or just want the biggest, brightest display, they're worth the extra money. Everyone else can save $300 and not miss much. This year's iPhone lineup is polished rather than groundbreaking. Thinner designs, faster chips, and cameras that keep getting better. It's less about surprises and more about refinement. Which iPhone 17 fits your needs? The approachable base model, the stylish Air, or the creator-focused Pro and Pro Max? Comment below with your pick and subscribe if you want more honest, no-nonsense tech reviews.